Hello, sound check. Okay.
the quantitative game, which means during our several roundabout testing, we will give you the same running time and the same data package and the same number of the access. You will see after several tests which one can show the best stability and which temperature will increase high, right? Seeing is believing. Don't waste the time. Let's do the test. Alright. To imitate the real installation process, alright? Keep the AP on top. And some of you may be concerned about this acrylic board, but don't worry about it. It will not affect the signal penetrating. Another testing for the Wi-Fi 7 exclusive feature, which is 4-key QAM. Literally, it will increase 20% throughput and speed up.
Hello everyone. MLO is one of the most important features of Wi-Fi 7. It enables the terminal to transmit data over multiple links at the same time, thus increasing the rate. Today we are going to test the throughput of the RG-RAP7 Pro with the MLO function both on and off. We've already set up a network environment for testing, and this is our Wi-Fi 7 AP, RG-RAP7 Pro. So, how much network throughput can we expect? Our engineer is starting the test. We will use the analog speed test software to minimize the interference. First, let's test how much throughput can be achieved with the MLO function disabled. We can see that the MLO status is turned off on the eWeb system. The test is starting. Alright, the test results show that with the MLO function disabled, the network throughput reaches 1.9 G. Now, let's see what the throughput is when the MLO function is enabled. Let's turn on the MLO feature and start the test. It appears that with the MLO function enabled, the network throughput reaches 2.8 G. Through the comparison, we can conclude that our Wi-Fi 7 AP RG-RAP7 Pro delivers a high-performance Wi-Fi experience when the MLO function is turned on. That's the end of today's test. Looking forward to bringing you more test videos soon.
Ang secret sa kompletong sarap ng Pasko? Eden Cheese.
Hello everyone. Today I'm here to introduce our Wi-Fi 7 AP RG-RAP7 Pro when connected to a switch 2.5G or SFP+ uplink port. How much throughput can we achieve? In this test, we will use analog speed test software to minimize interference. These are the typologies we've applied to set up the simulated network environment. We've already configured the network using a terminal that supports the Wi-Fi 7 protocol for testing. Right now, we can see that the RAP7 Pro is connected to the SFP+ port of the switch. So, how much throughput can we expect? Our engineer is starting the test. The test machine is generating results. Okay, from the results, we can see that the throughput of the Wi-Fi 7 terminal reaches almost 3.5 G. An important point to emphasize here is that even though our switch port supports 10G, the actual wireless speed depends on the device, Wi-Fi standards, and the environmental factors. A speed of 3.5G is a high peak for current Wi-Fi technology, considering wireless limitations and device capabilities. Next, let's connect it to the switch 2.5G port and see how much throughput we can achieve. Once again, the test machine is generating results. This time, we can see that the Wi-Fi 7 terminal's throughput reaches nearly 2.4G, reflecting its wireless performance. So, our Wi-Fi 7 AP RG-RAP7 Pro performs exceptionally well when connected to both 2.5G and SFP+ switch ports. That is the end of today's test. Looking forward to bringing you more test videos soon.
Okay, so hello everyone. Good evening. So before I start, I just want to verify if you can hear me clearly. Kindly type 1 on our chat box to confirm if you can hear me. Okay. So I am Jomel Blanco. I am Engineer Jomel Blanco, Technical Support Engineer here in Starlink Group. So you can call me Jom, as in JHOM for short. Yeah. So welcome to our 5-star hotel Wi-Fi solution. So if you have any question during our discussion, you can just type it in our chat box and I will try to answer them all. Okay, as you can see here, you can scan our QR code for your attendance for today. So if you don't have a Regi app existing in your mobile phone, you can download it via Google Play and App Store. So it's free, no need for license. So after you download, you have to sign in your account and you can scan it via the project. So this is in the project and there is a scan button. So if you scan this, you can see some project demonstration. So there is a project demo after you scan and you are you are recorded to our attendance. Okay, I will just give you a few minutes to scan our QR code before proceeding. So kindly advise if you already scan and I will give you around 2 minutes to scan. Okay, so there is a question in our chat box. So can we buy Wi-Fi 7 and is it compatible with Wi-Fi 5? I think Wi-Fi 7 we have already stock. Yes, you can buy it and it is backward compatible with Wi-Fi 5 devices also. Okay, so I think you have already scanned. If you need to scan it again, I will just flash it later after our workshop or webinar. So I will just go back here in this slide. Okay, so I will introduce you to our company introduction. So we have here our certificate as a VAD or value added distributor. So we are the Starlink, the first master distributor of Ruji and Ray networks in Australia. So we have admin office, which is Bradford Place, Cura Bay QLD 4112, Brisbane, Australia. We have also our warehouse in our Brisbane. So this is the address, 221 Gooderham Road, Willawong, QLD 4410. So, but in Brisbane, pickup is not yet available. So you should contact us first for pickup location. And we have also the running warehouse in Melbourne. So the address is 4/63 to 69 Pipe Road, Laverton North, VIC 3026, Australia. So pickup is available for this Melbourne. You just have to contact us for stock availability. And for Sydney warehouse, it will open next year around late January 2025. And it will be open also for pickup. Okay, so if there is anything concern about our products or related products, you have a concern in configuration, features, you have support needed, we have the email address support@star-link.net.au. And if about your order, you have question about your orders, you can email us in sales@starlink-net.au. And we can visit our website www.star-link.net.au. So you can check there the products that we sell and the product availability also. So there is pricing there. You can get the price also there. And if you have you want to call us, here's the number 6173-2101-888. And also we have the social media pages. We post here some updates, some unboxing videos, and other related stuff in Ruji and Reyi. And some promotional, if you have promotional, we post here in our social media. So we have the Instagram account, the Facebook account, LinkedIn, and of course our YouTube account. Okay, so who is Ruiji Networks? So Ruiji is top networking vendor from China. So Ruiji has a recognition by the whole world by the Gartner. So Gartner is highly recommended us because of our aggressive cloud management strategy with advanced network technology. So aggressive cloud management strategy is the lifetime free cloud. So you don't have to purchase license for each devices you will control in our cloud, and it's lifetime free. And we have the advanced network technology. For your example, the Wi-Fi 7 is already launched. We have access point that can cater Wi-Fi 7. In China, we have also IDC tracking report. So we have top 3 networking vendor in China. So number 1 in project Wi-Fi 6 product shipment. We are number 3 market share in China's enterprise double LAN market. We have number 3 market share in Chinese Ethernet switch market. So this is based on the tracking report of IDC. What devices work with Wi-Fi 7? I have no list of devices that is working at Wi-Fi 7. So I think it's in the the unit itself or the device itself. For example, the cell phone is Wi-Fi 7 ready. It can access to the Wi-Fi 7 speed. But if your device is only capable of Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 5, it's still compatible with the Wi-Fi 7 AP, but it will just get the speed by Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6. I think, yeah, I think Wi-Fi 16 Pro is working with Wi-Fi 7, sir. Yeah, it's early days for Wi-Fi 7 for now. So if you want to experiencer, the Wi-Fi 7, we have already the stock of REP72 Pro. So that is a Wi-Fi 7 model. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. So top networking vendor from China. Samsung phone only Wi-Fi 6. Maybe, sir. Okay, so 50 plus branch office globally. So this is the launched by Regi Networks, 8,000 plus global employees, 20,000 plus global partners, and they have 60 plus countries or regions covered. They have also R&D centers in China. They have 8, and they have 2 operation centers in Beijing and Fuzhou. Okay, to guarantee our network devices capability, so we have the ISO certification. Yes, sir. So we can give you the pricing of Wi-Fi 7 product, RAP72 Pro, right, sir? Okay. So ISO certification from our products, we have 23 production lines in production base, large size chipset, automatic assembly with 100% precision. So quality assurance by top testing equipment. So this is just to certify our product equipments that we can guarantee that our product is not low quality. So we are in the standard. So what is a 5-star Wi-Fi like? So a 5-star Wi-Fi like has a high speed and reliability, full Wi-Fi coverage. So in your hotel, you have full Wi-Fi coverage. Even in the outdoor, like a swimming pool area, the parking area, they have a Wi-Fi. Seamless Wi-Fi roaming. So even if anywhere in the hotel rooms, you can roam around and still connected to your Wi-Fi. And flexible internet speed control. So you can give a bandwidth for each customer. So assuming there is a VIP customer or there is a standard customer, you can limit bandwidth for them. So Ray Hotel Solution topology. So this is a sample topology. Of course, we have the Ray router, so the gateway router. So this will handle your all traffic. This will give you the bandwidth management. Sometimes if you have captive portal, it will be the captive portal server, and it will be the DHCP server. So it will give the IP address to each devices. And we have the core switches and PoE switches. And we have also the access points. So indoor, we have the indoor access point, we have the wall access point, and we have the outdoor access points. So how to set up a whole network easily? So we have what we call the SON, or the self-organizing network feature. So it will help you to set up your network with the limited time, or you can set up your whole network with a limited amount of time, so you can save your time, so you can do another job. So here's sample video.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ree's remaining video. I'm Leo. Today I will show you how to set up Ree wireless network via mobile cloud app. Here are some samples of Ree network devices. One wall-mounted access point, 2 ceiling-mounted access points, and 1 cloud-managed PoE switch, and 1 5-port SMB gateway, which is the brain of a network. All these samples are factory default configuration now. Now let me connect cables. Then wait 3 minutes for all devices online automatically. 3 minutes later, open Ready Cloud app and go to Project menu. Click Create First Project button. If your technology have REAP, then choose Yes. Otherwise, choose No. Here is a tip. Says that must wait 3 minutes after all devices power on. We already did it. To next. As a tip, let's connect the SSID which started as @rigid-m. Click blue button Connect to go next. Let's find the SSID. Here, find it. The SSID is @rigid-mda4a in this case. Click to connect it. Let's go back to Ready Cloud app. Loading, wait a few seconds. Okay, all devices are detected successfully. If any device missed, click the Detect Again button. Okay, click the blue button Start Config to go next. Okay, in this page, let's give a name for this case, SON test. Set the password as A128 for project management also. Choose scenario based on actual usage. We choose hotel for this case. As the tips, let's set one connection at here. As my technology, I choose DHCP to get IP address. Then next. Very good. The setup is finished now. The wireless network is configured successfully. Here is also have an internet speed test for your bandwidth checking. Next, follow the process. We can change the Wi-Fi name from default one. Set the SSID name as SON Wi-Fi. Password 12345678. Radio code choose your country. Click the blue button Save. As tips, let's connect new Wi-Fi name. Let's find and connect it. It and here. Connect with new password 12345678. Back to Ready Cloud app. We can check the actual technology in mobile. Back to project list and go into the project with cloud mode. Click the technology button. Got it. So Google to check the internet connection. Speed test to check also. So easy. Have you got it? Try by yourself now.
Okay, so that's how easy to organize or set up our RE network. So by self-organizing network feature, so it is the SON to help your network setup build easily for you. Okay, so how to build a high-speed and reliable network. So in our router, these have various features that can help you to have a reliable network. So it has a seamless failover. It has aggregated bandwidth, automatic setup, and customizable link weight. So this is for our ISP. So it can some models can support up to 4.1. So for example, this is this model EG310GH-P. This model can support up to 4 ISP link with a maximum of 1,500 Mbps throughput. So if for example you have link 1 500 Mbps, then link 2 500 Mbps, then link 3 400 Mbps, then we have link 4 for 100 Mbps. So you have 4 ISP, so total of 1,500 Mbps. So that's the aggregated bandwidth feature. And for seamless failover feature, once there is no internet ISP, so for example, 3 of your ISP down, for example, there is a problem in your 3 ISP, it will automatically fail over to the active ISP. So it will not cause delay to your network. So of course, if 4 ISP will down, of course your network will down also. Then it has automatic setup via the SON, and you can customize the link weight. So for example, this example, you have 500, 504, and 100 Mbps. So it can automatically link can be changed, the weight for the link. Okay, so how to set up dual one and load balancing previously. So this is for the traditional one load balancing technique from the other customer. So this is the traditional and the more hard way to do it. Okay, so that's the traditional or other brand way to set up the dual one or load balancing. So it's very complicated and so much step to do it. So while in our Ruji Cloud or Ruji, so you can set up multiple one load balancing configuration via the Cloud app. So you can set up via the Cloud app toolkit and very easy. So there's steps.
Hello everyone. Let's have a load balancing test of Ray A router today. We have two ISP lines, each line provides around 20 Mbps bandwidth. We will use one laptop to do speed test. Let's test single line first. Wet get the speed result around 20 Mbps. Now change to dual line. Wet get the speed result around 40 Mbps.
Okay, so it's just few clicks to enable the dual one. So you can enable it via the cloud application. And of course, if you want to design a full coverage Wi-Fi network, we have the Ruji Heatmap Power Tool for wireless planning. So this is the sample. So it will be, you can access it via your Ruji Cloud application and Ruji Cloud Web. You just have to go to toolkit and you can see the heat map. So in the heat map, you will upload the floor plan of your decided you want to design. Floor plan you want to design. Then you can place access point where you plan to place. So as we recommend, you will put access point per room so that you can optimize the Wi-Fi signal. So if you place the floor plan and the access point, it can generate a heat map. So it will have a result to you if the signal Wi-Fi strength and the floor plan you provided. So Wi-Fi signal black spot equals customer complaint. So to troubleshoot, do new cabling. So if, for example, there is an existing RE network in your hotel, so but you did not plan how many APs you input, so you're just estimate, then you already deploy the APs, and there is some trouble that some spot have no signal or it's not reachable by the Wi-Fi. So but you cannot put cable into it, so you cannot add cable. So we have the Ray AP Mesh solution.
The actual project implementation, such as in hotel, office, restaurant, coffee shop, etc., whether new network or replacing. Sometimes there are areas that Wi-Fi signal is not good. Just because there is no cable available, new wiring is very troublesome. For example, in a hotel project. Signal in the last room is not good, but it's hardly to add cable to the ceiling. Now, with Ray Mesh, you can extend Wi-Fi without cable. Just connect to the nearest AC power, or add a wall AP to guest room directly with PoE injector power supply. Just a few clicks to join the existing network. Get full Wi-Fi coverage. Same as in hotel restaurant. Overhead wiring is improper in this space, obviously. But with Ray Mesh, we can add APs without cables, providing high-speed Wi-Fi anywhere to customers. For outdoor space such as a beach or swimming pool, it is difficult to wire overhead or underground as well. But with Ray Mesh, it's easy to add an outdoor AP without cables to extend Wi-Fi coverage. The CCTV videos can also be transmitted at the same time. In office projects, Ray Mesh is also very useful. For example, the boss complained bad Wi-Fi in his room. You can add a mesh router to supplement signal without cables. When the newly expanded office is rented, damage the walls or wire in public area will not be allowed. But with Ray Mesh solution, it's easy to solve. The Ray Mesh solution supports a maximum of 3 hops, which can meet most of the point complement scenarios. In real projects, there may be some surprises. The Ray Mesh solution made the extra point much easier. Ray Mesh solution. Less wiring, more relaxing.
Yeah, so that's explain how Ray Mesh Technologies solution to our hotel network. So you can add an AP if there's an existing Ray APs there you already deployed, and there is a dead spot or you need to cover. So you just have to add an extra AP through this toolkit. So Ray Mesh solution. Okay, so this is a Ray AP Mesh setup. So this is a sample for Ray Mesh. So you have a demo suitcase, then an extra AP to mesh with, and PoE injector. Which device do mesh? So that's the Ray AP, sir. Access point. So our access point can do the Ray Mesh. So this is the example, sir. This AP, Ray AP. I think this is RAP 2260G. Yeah. So this is your extra AP. For example, you have an existing network. So we have the EG, the switch, and 2 APs. Then you want to add another AP because there is a dead spot, but you cannot connect it via wire. So you can use the Ray AP Mesh technology of our access points. Okay, so that's the Ray AP Mesh solution. So this is just note, sir, for you. If you are confusion. So this is wireless mesh. You will add an AP to the network without wire. So if you will using wire, don't use this Ray AP mesh because it will cause looping. So it already connected to the wireless, then you will connect it via wired, so it will cause a looping problem. So if you will intend just to add another AP via wireless, you can use the AP mesh technology. And to answer your question, sir, how to test the mesh. So as shown in the here in our video, uh, as you add the Ray AP mesh, you can see in our actual topology, you can see the mesh device. So the RAP2200E connected via mesh. And you can see that this is wrong. You can see that is broken line. In the new update, you can see that this line is broken line, indicating that the connection is wireless. I hope I answered your question, sir. Okay, so let's move on to our other features in our hotel solution. So in our hotel, of course, we have various clients. So we have our internal staff, we have the guest, and we have the VIP guest. So each customer or clients need a separate bandwidth. So we will allocate them separately. So for example, we have 10 Mbps for the staff, 5 Mbps for the guests, and for our VIP guests, we can allocate 20 Mbps. So this is another feature that our router can offer to us. So this is the sample config. Ayan. These have the staff Wi-Fi. So for the staff, we have 10 Mbps, and for guests, we have 5 Mbps for common and VIP 20 Mbps. So this is configuration to the voucher. So this is a sample configuration. Okay, so that's the sample. That's the sample configuration for our voucher. So you just have to create a voucher for our VIP that is with 20 Mbps, then for our common guest with 5 Mbps. So if Wi-Fi is too slow, maybe it's not the signal that causing it. So it has a signal. You can receive Wi-Fi. You can detect the Wi-Fi. It has 4 bars or 3 bars in your in your status. So you can see 3 bars or 4 bars, but still slow, the Wi-Fi. So maybe there is a channel interference in your access point. So you add access point each room. So it broadcasts default channel, which is the channel 1 settings. So we can use the WIO or Wi-Fi intelligent optimization. So this technology allows you to optimize our wireless network via one click. So if everything is added in our cloud, our access points and switches and routers, you can click WIO to optimize it for you. So it will detect the actual scenario in your network. So for example, it detects channel interference for channel 1. It will adjust to alternating channel that has no interference. So that's the WIO. So it's just one click. Okay, another feature that allows or it have our access point is the layer 3 roaming. So for smooth transition. So you can roam around layer 3 networks with non-interruption. So this is the zero handoff. So for example, this is deployed in hotel. This access point. So for example, you are walking in the hallway. So whichever AP is the strongest signal, it will connect you or it will get you without disconnection. So you don't have to retype your username and password or Wi-Fi name and password. So you have a smooth transition. So for your guest. So they will not require log in from time to time if they are moving from the facility. So these are our wall-mounted APs. So we have the RAP 1200P, which has PoE out. This is a Wi-Fi 5 AP. And we have the Wi-Fi 6 wall AP. We have the RAP 1260. And for our Ray indoor access point, we have here Wi-Fi 6 models, RAP 2260E and 2260G. And for Wi-Fi 5 models, we have the RAP 2200E and RAP 2200F. And of course, for Wi-Fi 7, we have the RAP 72 Pro. And for outdoor, we have various model also. We have the RAP 6260G, RAP 6262G, and RAP 6262. So this is suitable for outdoor scenarios, swimming pool, car parking, or the garden area. So each outdoor access point has IP68 rating. So it has 6 kilovolts lightning protection with minus 40 degrees up to 65 degrees Celsius operating temperature. Okay, so these are the success cases from our 5-star hotel. So this is from Indonesia. So many black spot on hotel Wi-Fi network. So these are the challenges customer have before. They had to manage 100 plus pieces of devices. So around 180 plus kilometers away from the hotel to SI. So solution benefit, Wi-Fi dead spot are eliminated with RAP 2200E and the older model EAP 602. So that is end of sale. So the new model is RAP 6262. So covered both indoor and outdoor to fulfill 80 plus guest Wi-Fi access anywhere. So Ruji Cloud is unlimited lifetime free, centralized management, of all 140 devices. So when the network has an issue, hotel IT team easily share the project to the SI. So SI can solve all the problems remotely. So we can monitor the app and edit configuration or monitor it via the cloud app if there is a problem. Okay. Then another success case from Turkey. So on the 2.4 signal, Wi-Fi speed was very low. It's a headache to manage whole network. Guests get very low wireless signal from their room. Sometimes they can connect to Wi-Fi. So Ray solution, we can get up the 2260G, 2260E, and our NBS 3100. So Ruji Cloud provides the seamless roaming in the whole network. Ruji Cloud allows IT team can check the network status in any place at any time via the application. And we have the Wi-Fi 6 can offer excellent wireless experience even through during very crowded pool music event. So each user can do social media live share, no complaint anymore. So our third success case is from Malaysia. So boutique hotel in Kuala Lumpur with 33 guest rooms, total of 3 floors. So in before they use Violan's brand, AP and router from ISP. So guests always complain internet. The APs often break down. So Ray solution, we have the EG210G-P and 5 REP2200. So compared to ISP free gateway, after using Ray router in the network, the internet service is more stable and smooth than before. Okay, so another case, hotel in Uruguay. So this requirement, a reliable but affordable solution. Provide comprehensive Wi-Fi coverage in hotel, seamless roaming under one SSID, guarantee the core business, and achieve smart flow control. So resort, wireless coverage reaches every corner of the hotel, inside the room, meeting rooms, and also outdoor. Business meetings are possibly even one internet connection gets saturated. So walking through the hotel common spaces without losing coverage is possible due to easy roaming configuration. Inside the room, guests can experience speed of around 90 plus Mbps and easy to monitor the network and visualize and client's Wi-Fi experience in real time. And another case study is from Shirnak. So requirements, upgrading devices, and blocking unnecessary traffic in VLAN transitions. Turn on the firewall security configuration to block IPS and virus traction. Define QoS traffic shaping rules for application such as PMS hotel. So result, all traffic is optimized. Unnecessary traffic is blocked in VLAN transition. Traffic shaping rules were defined for application. Necessary action were taken by chasing the problem when instant network problems occurred. Okay, I think that would be all the part of our discussion. So we have the Q&A part. You can ask question in our chat box. So if you have any concern in our discussion for today, or you have question, queries, you can ask in our chat box before we proceed to our quiz time. So any question? Clarification? So I will give you a few minutes if you have question and not now. Okay. Okay, so like we can proceed now to our Q&A. or quiz. So I will just discuss the mechanics. So our quiz is first answer will be the winner. So who got the first right answer will be the winner, and you can get our free device. So are you ready for our quiz? So type yes in our chat box if you we can proceed to our quiz. If you already okay. So they are ready. So this question is just tackled earlier in our discussion in our webinar. So you can I think you can answer it easily. Okay, so let's flash the question. Okay, so this is the question. So if you wish to add an extra AP to the network without connecting it via wire, so what feature you will use? So we have multiple choices. Letter A, is it one load balance? Letter B, is it RAI AP mesh? Letter C, is it bandwidth control? Or letter D, is it layer 3 roaming? Okay, so letter B. I saw the right answer, so it's okay. You get it. So I will PM you, sir, for your details. So please provide me your details. So the correct answer is letter B, RAI AP mesh. So can you provide me your contact number, address, company, and email address? So I will PM you, sir. Yeah, Sir Nick, can you contact us for the flights? So, Sir Nick, are you already scan our QR code? So I will flash again the QR code. Kindly scan it, the Cloud app, for your attendance. Okay, you have scanned it already. Let me just check. Okay, you scanned it already. Thank you, sir. So if there's any concern, you can message me here before we end. And please contact us, sir, for your price. Hello, sir. This is what we have to scan. You already scanned it already, right? Okay, thank you so much, Sir Nick, and congratulations for your winning. Yeah. Okay. I hope you will join us from another workshop in the future. So have a good night, sir.